Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of Geek Bulletin. If you guys don't know, it is a weekly video series where we try to update you with science and tech happenings around the world. Today we have some very interesting things to tell you guys, so let's just dive right in. The first news today comes from Madrid, Spain. A team of biologists from UC3M built a prototype 3D bioprinter which can actually create a functional human skin. This is not a joke. By functional, I mean it has a layer-like structure to replicate dermis and epidermis. The best part is that these layers can produce collagen, imparting an elastic and mechanical strength just like a normal human skin. This is a pretty big breakthrough, as its uses are widespread, right from treating wounds and burns to cosmetic surgeries and many industrial uses like in testing these skin products before their release. The next news comes from University of Washington, where scientists have filmed the sonic boom of light for the first time. It is officially known as Photonic Mach cone. A Mach cone is formed when something travels faster than the speed of sound, breaking the sound barrier. It is usually seen when a jet travels faster than the speed of sound, and many don't know that light can do the same. So before you guys can call me a lunatic by telling that light travels way faster than sound, well, you're right, but we all know that light can be slowed down by making it pass through different materials. That's how they were able to create a Photonic Mach cone, and they had to use an ultra fast camera which can record at 1 trillion frames per second to see that in real time. The next news comes from Microsoft. They apparently are gonna add a game mode to Windows 10 as a feature in their Windows 10 Creators Update. This new feature, when turned on, will automatically prioritize all the CPU and GPU resources to your game. According to Microsoft, and theoretically, it should improve the frame rates at which the game runs, both average and the maximum. They also said that some of the games will automatically enable that, and for the rest, you'll have to use the Windows plus G combination and enable the game mode whilst you're in the game. Anyways, let's see how well this goes. And yeah, this update is scheduled sometime in the early 2017 according to Microsoft. The next news comes from Google. Gmail will now be blocking all the JavaScript attachments starting from February 13th. Not just .js file types but most of the executable file types such as .exe, .msc and .bat files. Even if you try sending them in a compressed file format like .zip or .tgz, Google will still detect them. I really feel that this is a good step in the right direction, as some retards can actually use these executable files as attachments to install ransomware and malware on victims' PC. This next news is a big one. The physicists from the University of California unveiled a new form of matter called time crystals. Well, technically this is not new. It was proposed by Frank Wilczek in 2012, but now it's practical and real. This phenomena is confusing to understand, as it will most likely change the definition of a ground state. But still, in short, just like every object has a ground state with reference to space, by space I mean the space in the space-time, where the particular object is undisturbed until an external energy is given to it. For example, a ball spinning on a table attains its ground state with respect to the space when it starts spinning. Now imagine an object which can still be spinning even after achieving the ground state. Here, the object has achieved the ground state with respect to time instead of space. So this phenomena is confusing, but it should not be mistook as a perpetual machine. You can expect a blog or a video soon on this concept where we elaborately explain what it is. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching. Links to all the sources given down in the description. If you liked the video, please make sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to us for more content. Hope you to see you in the next video. Until then, adios.